Back yet again, and we're gonna be what?
Slapping the
Yes,
bed.
sir.
BC's on deck.
Woo, woo. We're gonna just adjust a couple settings here. Fitment's about to be. Look at that thing. Yo.
Is that my voice?
Now I don't know about you guys, but look at that thing. Yeah, he's chilling.
You're clear, yeah.
That guy's driving static, bro. Static.
We go on the beat.
Brand new video for the channel. What do we got for today? We're gonna be slamming Johnson's Accord. You guys see what we got in store for today? We have Johnson's Honda Accord, and we're gonna be what?
We're gonna be slapping the bed.
Yes, sir, on some BC coils.
BC Extreme Low.
So we on that. What goodies do we have in the
Not
bag?
even open.
Damn,
Fresh out
straight
the box.
from the manufacturer themselves.
Fitment Industries.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Fitment.
Fitment.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then we're gonna get to this install. So, Johnson.
Christmas came early.
Oh man.
Oh, we got the sticker.
Sponsorship.
Sponsored.
What we've been waiting for.
The moment of truth. Damn, I haven't even seen it myself.
Damn, look at that thing. That rear shot, bro, you're carrying a baby.
Ese es el baile de la excitación.
Damn, your boy.
If you guys didn't know, Johnson is a barista here, so you know he had to come clutch with the coffee. We're gonna need some of that to get this install. Now, personally, I don't drink coffee, so if you see me running around the city at 4 in the morning, you know why, bruh. Because I'm gonna be hyped off this shit. Well, you guys know how it goes down. We are basically going to run you guys down on what the install process is gonna look like, a before and after, and we're gonna see exactly how low we plan to drop this thing. Johnson, you know, it's still his daily, so we gotta keep that in mind. Henry, on the other hand, says full send or no send, so we're gonna see what we decide on. We got about 4 fingers, 3, yeah, I'd say 4, like 4 fingers between fender. He's on stock height, so we gotta keep that in mind. All right, let him know, bro.
It's a moment come true right here. A long time we've been waiting for this moment.
Man, and the time has come, huh?
The time is finally here. It's here.
We're gonna do this though. Let's get it. Full send or what?
We sending that thing.
We're sending that thing. Loosen up your lug nuts. We're gonna lift this up, and then we're gonna take it rather quick, step by step, do the install. What I'm truly excited about is seeing the final process to get an idea of what fitment he's trying to go for. This is about to be brutal, so stay tuned. The excitement is real, bruh. Let's get it. So if you guys know these Hondas, being that they're front wheel drive, the subframe is a great point to lift it up. We're gonna get the jack stands, take the wheel off. Let me just get changed, swap on the mechanic shirt because this white shirt's not gonna cut it, and get to the install. Let's go. Pop the hood, locate your strut tower, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna take those off. We're not gonna take them off fully, just loosen them up. Okay, so for the top, we're gonna take the strut brace off just because there's 3 bolts here that you have to, and then one of them is actually covered by it. And the strut brace is off. Just set that to the side. Now we got our 3 ones for the strut. Tires off. And what we're looking at is the actual strut OEM one. So we're gonna spray down the bolts we're gonna be working with just to give it a little bit of penetration. Once we loosen those up, it's gonna be these 3 bolts. We'll let that sit, hit the other side, and then we'll start wrenching. So you guys can see, we took off the little sensors right here. You do have to take these off. Then in the back, we have our 17mm right here. And then last but not least is the tie rod bolt. Once you pop this off, it's good to come down. Only thing left is really just working on the top, but first one should be out relatively shortly. We're getting there. We're going for that slammed fitment. Stock one is out.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yeah.
Do we want it? I don't think so. Now, where is it? Now,
Where?
we're gonna just adjust a couple settings here. Nothing too drastic, but if you want that banner, if you want to ride with us, which way are we going?
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy, just a little bit of a negative camber here and there.
Full send it.
Full send on the camber.
We outside.
We outside.
Your shit's about to be nasty, bro. Your shit is about to look nice. Full camber on this one, full send. Preparing the new BC coil to go in. Now that we have the fitment dialed in, the negative camber, we can toss this in, slide it up, throw our bolts on, and then that way it's a lot easier when we go downstairs for the installation. All right, to the bottom. All right, now it's just plug and play. Realign the actual axle if it popped out, and then get a jack
in the wood
with the wood. Yes, sir. And then just slide that thing in.
That's what she said.
Damn! Yeah! Tuner, we're back in action. Coilovers in. Now it's just reverse process. All the bolts you took off, put them back on. Any sensors you moved out the way, slap them back on, and just tidy it up. Fitment's about to be tighter than your first girlfriend.
Whoa!
Always tighten your bolts. If you want to get proper fitment, grab the provided foam spacer, and with that you get perfect fitment every time. Only thing we're going to do is once we're done and drop the car, we can see what our fitment is looking like, and if we don't like it, more camber. Coilovers are in, front ones are in, and if you guys can tell, we're going all the way stiff because static life. Always adjust your dampening settings. And now we can put our titanium strut brace, because we're going racing after this. We're going to Mexico.
You already know.
You already know, bro. So yeah, put your braces, bolts back on, tighten those up, and then we move to the rear. So here, wrapping up the fronts, you guys can see the tire and the wheel is on, and you can now tell that that gap is no longer there. This guy's smile already says it all. Time to lower it. Like I said, this is not final fitment just yet because we still got to do the rears, but look at that thing. Oh my Lord. And we had to put the piece of wood because the jack would not come out from the front, but look at that. Fuck, bro. Your shit looks so fire, bro. Bro. Your shit is tucking.
Oh my God.
And to the back we go. So rear tire is off. If you guys know, there's a bolt back here. So bolt right there looks to be like a 17. Once we get that off, we're gonna have to go upstairs and take off the strut, but the rear should not be too bad. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. One thing for the rear setup is we are gonna have to open up this little hatch right here because the bolts actually go through the back of the back seats. We have these reclined because, like I said, it's rather tucked in there. If you're trying to do it the easy way, this is the hack, this is the trick. You're gonna need a 14mm deep socket and a swivel with your ratchet. And with this setup, you'll be able to get the bolts tucked in here without having to take out all of this trim, the side bolster, and or the seats. So they are tucked in there. You can see one bolt on the left and the one on the right. Man, these back bolts, we're doing this shit for the boys, the team. Like I said, when it comes to this stuff, it's like our hobby and shit. So it's always dope to see an enthusiast like homeboy Johnson. Well, we call him Johnson, his real name is Jonathan, but we've been knowing homie for a while, and he's finally gonna get blessed and baptized by being static. We're gonna then check his fitment, first test drive, see if he can make it out of this driveway, and then we'll go from there. So let's get these bolts out. And there it is, another one out. To the trash it goes.
My hand?
My hand, bruh. It's okay,
I'm
kiss
sorry.
it real quick. Yeah! Where everything else, where it all belongs. All right, Johnson, what's next? Let's see. Let me see the new thing. Let me see the new thing.
Give a little kiss, give a little kiss.
Yes, sir.
BC.
Go ahead, bro. Let's go. Saw that shit right now. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's
Slap
go,
that bitch on.
man.
Slap that shit on, bro.
Right?
You see the front. We need the rears now. Just slide that shit in, bro.
You lying.
Nah.
You just
He's learning, bro.
You gotta remove the bolts.
It's okay. Let him learn, bro.
Right.
And it comes with that extra bolt. Test fit, test fit. Looks good.
Yes, sir.
Do we need any WD-40? We'll see. So I'm gonna slide in and then I'm gonna bolt these up from the top spot. This shit is a tight fit, but thankfully we got it on. We hear some tuners in the local distance.
You already know, we all outside today, huh? Yeah, ya tú sabes. For the youth, you already know we were getting that tuck look. They all had to pull up, comes up, ooh! Oh! With the new color? With the new color?
Last one is out. This one goes out to Jose, who is running BCs on his SRT4. Y'all gonna have to split that one, bro. Almost there, bro. Almost there. And then we put it to the ground and we take this thing on a test drive. Top side, that little cover I was showing you guys, 2 bolts on top, 14 millimeters. Down here, it's just a 17 millimeter that holds it in. You are gonna have to like push this down. While you push the control arm down, you slide it up this way. So it's literally in here. You're gonna pop it out this way and then out. I think someone's calling, bro.
You took it out.
Hello?
The scraping life is gone.
I think they calling. It's time. It's time.
New oil pan.
Everything, bro. Full send on this one. Luckily, the rear is not that difficult. It's really just sliding it up inside. Once it's up here, I'm basically gonna bolt it in. And like I said, that little cover, this is where the bolts go. Bolt these on, and then we work to the bottom. But you guys see it, that's the little cover behind the back seat.
Last nut. 17.
My first car, first static car, shit, only 65,000 miles. Your boy is about to fucking be scraping like crazy. Damn, scared and happy at the same time, but sheesh, we outside.
Another one joins the team. Hands got dirty. Well, Jonathan Johnson is smiling. Henry, let me see what it do. Let me see what it do.
Yes, sir. Shit.
Man. Yo.
Is that my boy Static Johnson?
Bro, you're static, bro. Hey. Johnson, you need to recreate that video, but with this car rolling, bro. People do not know what the fuck to expect.
No.
My boy making guys on bags look kind of... Oh, I can't say that. Never mind. Damn.
I feel this shit lower, dude. Right there.
Yo! Damn, bro.
Shout out to the boys. Shout out to the boys.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but look at that thing. Oh, man. All he needs is a roof rack, some 3-piece wheels. He's got stuff planned for it. It's coming, bro. It's coming. Now the first step has been achieved, bro.
The first step has been achieved.
That shit looks so fire, bro. Look at, oh my god. We're gonna do a walk around once he pulls it out, and then go for a test drive for sure, right? Yeah. From now on, he's gonna be needing some wood because look at that thing. But we are gonna pull it out now. First drive, he's gonna bring it out. So let's see you, bro. Let's see you driving static real quick. Right there, straight.
Right there. All right.
Damn, bro.
Wait, straight. Slowly.
That's what she said.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's chilling.
You're clear, yeah.
Go.
Go. You got it. You out.
You're chilling. Slow.
Go. Chilling.
All right, post up and then we go for a test drive.
Yeah,
That shit looks so nice, bro. Oh my god. What are you thinking, bro?
Thank you, bro. Shout out to natives.
Yes,
You
sir.
already know. Family out here. Oh, long time, bro. Long time, bro. There you go.
There we go.
Get to me. Get out of here.
Does it still like make the metal noise or not?
Oh, no.
Nah?
It's not there.
All right, so quick test drive, first drive, driving static. We got the privilege. All right, bro, we out. that guy's driving static, bro. Static life, G. The bumps and everything, bro. The bumps and everything. Frame banging.
Frame banging.
Some thoughts, bro. What are you thinking?
I'm fucking happy right now, dude. Like, I was like a kid that...
You living your dream right now, bro?
Yeah, bro. Big grown baby right now, dude.
Yes, sir.
Happy as shit, bro. Shout out my boy Alex.
Shout out to the team. Shout out to the gang.
Everybody pulling up.
I'm happy for my boy, bro. Being that this dude has been waiting patiently. Not only does it look nice, it sounds nice too. Oh, we got some power. That is it for you guys. We sent it on this car, bro, and it looked nice. I mean, bro, all he needs are some wheels. I was telling you from the start, if you're planning to lower your car, bro, just go simple, clean and simple. Lower it, get some nice wheels, and you're chilling, bro. Props to my boy. This shit's coming, bro.
It's coming.
It's crazy to think that, you know, not too long ago, all we were thinking about was installing some coilovers, and look at us now. Scraping, fitment on point, braking next, bro. That guy's happy, bro.
I'm happy.
Man, that's what we do it for you guys. So
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow the boy on the IG. I'm gonna drop his Instagram in the video. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one, stay static.